So, I think that you ordered something, right?
All right, this is a promo box from Vistaprint, and this is the first one, so you get a special deal.
I have always wanted to open something in front of the camera. I've watched other people do it, and they're opening things and these promo boxes, and I thought, oh, I wish I had one to open. So we get to open one! Yay! So,
Okay.
Do I get to?
Well, it's Wisdom Wednesday, isn't it?
Oh, yes. See, Wisdom Wednesday, and so what's our wisdom?
You're going to tell them. You'll make it up as you go.
I'll make it up as I go. Well, the wisdom is that it's so fun to open things. Oh, look at this nice individual like your business. I love that. And look, it has beautiful blue paper and a little card. It says, "It was a pleasure putting together your promo box. I hope you like it, Jack." Oh.
You really should be the person opening this because
I love it. Look at, look, a Vistaprint cash, a thank you gift, $10.
okay.
Aha. What else do we have? Welcome to Promo Box. Very fun. I thought of doing a promo box for our business too, but I think, that would be hard, but maybe we can still think about that, because if I get so excited opening this, just think what other people would get excited about opening stained glass. Okay, what have we got here? Ooh, this is even in pretty ribbon. They go all out, don't they? This is so fun. So what do we have here? So it looks like there are some cards and envelopes with our logo, Invite the Light, Gomm stained glass, and a picture of our woman at the well. That is so nice. And there's quite a few of them. That is so nice. Ooh, what a pen. GSG, Gomm stained glass, a pen. Actually, I was looking for a pen out there today. I found like 3 and not 3 of them worked. And what is this? GSG. Awesome. Gomm stained glass. Look at that. How fun. It's your size. Very fun. Oh, isn't this great? And we're not done yet. There's stickers, little round stickers that say GSG, Gomm stained glass, our phone number, and our website. Well, that is so fun. I want to get these all the time. Let's sign up for more. This is great. So, remember, Vistaprint, we love you. And this is something that you can get from Vistaprint, and there are other promo boxes from other companies. And I finally got to open one. So, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. I hope you have a beautiful day with lots of reasons to celebrate and to get wise.
Wise guy.
You wise guy. I know, right?